Tips for cooking corned beef. School is about to start once again, and the kids will definitely need a power breakfast to give them the energy that they need to keep up with the homeworks and projects. Corned beef is easy to prepare, and what is more, it can be coupled with other ingredients to make it healthier. Corned beef is in fact the most versatile of dishes that you can find. Here are some ways to cook a different corned beef and also ways in cooking your corned beef so that it will taste even better. 1. Brine your beef for at least 2 days. If you want corned beef that is soft, juicy, and with the right saltiness to it, you should brine your corned beef for at least 2 days. When you say brine, this means that you should saturate your corned beef in a bowl of water with salt. This will help put flavor into the beef and set the taste. 2. Use fresh ingredients. Although it is a lot easier and faster to use corned beef that came from a can, it is healthier and better tasting to use only the freshest ingredients. Use beef that you purchase from the market and cure the beef yourself. This ensures that what you are letting your kids eat is clean and safe, and of course without the chemicals that may cause health problems. 3. Boil your beef for 1 hour. A lot of people swear by boiling. This locks in the flavor on the inside and also ensures that the meat is soft and chewy as opposed to as hard as a rock. Cooking it will also be a lot easier as you don't have to worry about softening the meat while frying or applying meat tenderizers to soften it a little more. 4. Put a different ingredient. It is always good to experiment with taste and texture. Once you have mastered the art of cooking corned beef, you already have a license to play with the ingredients to suit your taste. You can actually add anything that you want as long as you taste it before you serve it, of course. Your kids will also welcome a different kind of corned beef because for sure, they are already fed up with the same old corned beef that you have been serving at breakfast and at dinner. If you have the time, you can even serve a different corned beef in the morning and then a different one at dinner. All you need to do is to add some ingredients to it. 5. Put some sauce. Although corned beef is served often as dry flakes, you can always flout convention and put some sauce into it. This will make your corned beef less dry and juicier. Put some tomato sauce and soy sauce and then just rely on the natural juiciness of the corned beef to add to the flavor. 6th, add some veggies. The standard corned beef is often cooked with onion rings, but there are some corned beef dishes that are cooked with potatoes. You can also add some pineapple or even tofu. It is actually all up to you. As mentioned before, cooking corned beef is a breeze and you don't really have to exert much effort. All you need is just a little imagination. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.